Hi everyone, so today I am sharing with you how to make coconut pasta. Guys, if you have not tried this particular method, what are you waiting for? In fact, you are missing. You see this particular method, it is top notch, so delicious. So if you have not tried this method before, stay with me. Let me take you step by step on how to achieve this. So first, you are going to heat up some water in a pot. Once the water has heated up, add in some salt, add some vegetable oil, little amount of vegetable oil. Now go ahead and add in your pasta. So this pasta, you're going to cook it just like 85%, not overcooked, okay? Recipe to match and mood, close of foodies, best of food. Follow for delicious treats, oh, yeah. Every bite a melody, yeah. Cooking magic. Once the pasta is done, strain out the water and set it aside. Don't worry, the vegetable oil that you added will not allow it to stick together. So now we are going to be using chicken for this recipe. This is actually the boned chicken lap. You can also use chicken breast, but I prefer this one. Now you're going to season the chicken and allow it to cook with its own juice. Do not add water. So here I use onion powder, chicken powder seasoning, and some thyme, some salt. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I also added onion and some fresh pepper. So you are going to give that a good mix and cover and allow to cook. Foodies, the best food plug in town, tasty bites around the way. Come and see them every day. Recipes that make you smile, oh, delicious flavors with your while, oh, oh. Whip it up and take a taste. Every dish a yummy case. Follow for delicious treats, oh. So here we go, guys. The chicken is ready. Take it out of the heat and set aside. Next, heat up some small amount of oil in a pan. Add in your roughly blended pepper mix. Here we have onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some tatashe. You allow that to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. Taste the love in every dish, yeah. Flavors pop and make you cheer, yeah. Recipe to match and mood, close of foodies, best of food. Follow for delicious treats, oh. At this point, you can now add in the chicken. Add in some curry powder, add in more seasoning powder, add some salt to taste. Give that a good mix and allow to fry for like 3 minutes. Treats, oh, yeah. Every bite a melody. Now this is the main G of this recipe, the coconut milk. You are going to add it right now. This is what makes that great taste difference of this meal. Allow to cook for 2 minutes. Then add in your pasta, mix it up together, and allow to cook for another 2 minutes. Come and see them every day. Recipes that make you smile, oh, delicious flavors with your while, oh, oh. Whip it up and take a taste, every dish a yummy case. Follow for delicious treats, oh, yeah. Every bite a melody, yeah. Cooking magic in your home, cause our food is never alone, oh. Finally, you're going to add in your vegetables and allow for 1-2 more minutes to cook. Please do not overcook your vegetables. Flavors pop and make you cheer, yeah. Recipe to match and mood, close of foodies, best of food. Few minutes later, guys, this is what we have. Your coconut pasta is ready. Now tell me, are you going to be trying this? If you ask me, I will say that this is the best when it comes to pasta recipe. So that is all about it, guys. It is so easy to prepare. Your family will love it, your loved ones will love it. You just have to give this a try and let's know in the comment section how it goes with you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video today. Thank you for tuning in. Wherever you are watching us from, I appreciate you so much for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share with friends and family. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.